at some different ways to identify the y-intercept. So first of all, what is the y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept is where a line crosses the y-axis or the starting point of a function. So on a graph, the first thing you want to do is identify the y-axis and then just simply look, where does that line cross the y-axis? And in this case, the y-intercept happens at 2. On an equation, you've got a slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. M is your coefficient, which is the number that's next to or being multiplied by x. That is your slope. The number that's being added or subtracted to x, the constant, that one is your y-intercept. So you always look what is being added or subtracted from x, and that number is your y-intercept. On a table, you're looking for the x value to be 0, because when x is 0, that means it would cross the y-axis if you plotted those points. So in our first example on the left, when x is 0, y is 2. Therefore, the y-intercept happens at 2. On the next table, I don't have a 0 value for x, but if I continue my pattern, I would have -1, 13 as the next set of values. And now I've got 0, 15, which means my y-intercept happens at 15. For coordinates, again, it's when my x value equals 0. So if I look at my set of coordinates as my example, the 0 happens when y is 2. Therefore, my y-intercept happens at 0, 2. And lastly, some real-world examples. The y-intercept would be a starting point or your upfront cost or upfront amount. So in the first example, it says Tyler joins a gym. He paid a $99 registration fee and $15 each month. So my upfront cost is going to be my $99 registration fee. Therefore, that is my y-intercept. The $15 each month is my rate. So that actually is my slope. Number 2, Alex has $25 in his school lunch account. He spends $2.50 each day buying his lunch. My upfront or my starting amount is my $25. Therefore, that is going to be my y-intercept. And my rate or my slope is going to be $2.50 because that's what he's spending every single day.